Hi, this is Isha. You're watching a video with justtutors.com. In today's video, we'll be working with mensuration. In this lesson, we'll learn about introduction to mensuration, then area of rectangle and area of squares. Let's start our lesson with some warm-up questions. You can pause the video here to try these questions. In the first one, a tablecloth is 3 meters wide and 5 meters long. What is the area of the tablecloth? So we need to calculate the area. We can calculate the area by counting all the little squares that we see inside the shape. So there are total 15 squares, and when we are writing area, the unit to area is meter squared. In the second one, we need to find perimeter of the shape. Here we have one length which is missing, so we can first complete that one. So it's 4 centimeters, as this line, this length, is 8 centimeters, which is standing just opposite to it. Now let's add all the sides to find the perimeter. 8 add 5 is 13. 13 add 8 equals 21. 21 add 7 is 28. So it's 28 centimeters. This is how we write the unit of perimeter without squaring or putting a cube on it. Let's start with the introduction to mensuration. Mensuration deals with study of geometric shapes, their areas, perimeters, and all such related parameters. Here we have some of the examples for you. These are all 3D shapes in the first row: a cube, a cylinder, a cone, a cuboid. Here we have all the 2D shapes, for example triangle, rectangle, a circle, a square. So the first one are all 3D because they are solid shapes, and the flat shapes are all 2D shapes. Let's start with finding the area. Area of a polygon is the measure of the surface inside the boundary. Like if this is a shape that I have, so everything which comes inside the shape, we call it the area. The unit of area is squared unit. Let's work with the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is the amount of surface enclosed within the boundaries of length and the width. In general, we write the formula as length times by the width. This is how we write it. Let's look at the area of a square. The four-sided shape, that is a square which is having all the sides of equal length. We calculate the area in the same way. We write A equals S times by S, where S stands for length and width, which is the same, so instead we can just simply write it as S. This is one example discussed here. Let's look at it. The shape given, it's having all the sides of 5 feet, so length is 5 and width is 5. To find the area, we do length times by the width. So the area calculated is 5 times 5, which is 25 squared feet, because we need to square when we are finding the area. Here's some practice questions for you. You can pause the video here to try these practice questions, and when you're done, you can check your answers in the answer slides provided here. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.